It's nice.
More?
Hi, vlog! I love it. Diba? Pag-beer pansit. Si Kumba Raymond. Spanish latte. Cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Rona is masarap.
Oh, wow. Tapos sa kay Auntie. And kasama natin si Kuya Justin. Tutour niya tayo dito sa Casa Marcos. Yan. Pwede lang. For any guest.
Tidak pa ugat ang po nila. Tawagin abdi mastap.
Pantry. Ayan.
Ay, what siya mga. Ada po.
Ito yung
Ang lalaki at ang babae.
toilets nila.
Pwede po natin magbuwang ka mo. Tidak. Alagang po gawin.
Oh, pwede di mag-coffee. Pwede get grant? For the staff lang.
Ito po, di ba matapos po? Wala pa ito. Madugay pa po ini ako. Construction mo yan.
Yeah. More swing.
Welcome to the
Foods and drinks are not allowed. Pool is 150 adult for kids. Adult is 200. Look guys, it's so nice. Pastrana Lake. Meron ditong shower area. Ayan. Oh, nice. Wow. Diba? So, hindi pa pala open yung accommodations nila. Bar. Slide. This restaurant is actually pretty big. Pwede dito magpa-event, like weddings. Oh, they also have this. So, I guess they have like a band. Probably during the weekends. Because usually ganun naman. O, diba? So, according to the staff earlier, this one daw will probably open first. This room. Sa accommodation yan. Silipin natin. Oh, it looks nice. Well, actually, it's prettier in person compared sa Facebook. Sa Facebook, it's nice na. Pero, now that we're here, it looks prettier in person. Hindi lang natin masilip inside. Wow, this is my favorite part. Oh, diba? It's nice. Ito. Ay, hello. Good morning, sir. Ayan. overpricing.
Oo.
So, yung mga food nila, guys. Ayan, so walang galang ka. I mean, hindi mali. Very accommodating, guys. The people here. So nice.
Okay na.
Sit down. Sit down. Up, 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 up.
Mag-aro na lang ako, Bill.
Ikat na lang. Sige, nagat ka. Narito ka naman ba kapag mag-diplit?
Bye, friends.
Mabalik kami. Promise yan.
Wow. Wala.
Umbrella. Bye, friends. Thank you. Ayan. So,
Wow, nag-blow kiss ko ito.
ayan. So, we found a new favorite place.
Lahat na ng favorite basta walang tao.
Ano po masasabi niyo, sir?
Wala